Bravo Charlie with you on Whiskey 2,
That up 1659, contact Sparks, good day.
Which will see a Delta 1659.
Number 714, Whiskey Alpha Los Angeles Tower at Whiskey, cross runway 1 left, make the right turn at Echo, and taxi to runway 1 right, full length.
Delta 419 Las Vegas Tower, wind 230 out, free runway 26 left, good line.
So clear landed up full length.
To the left. The Alpha thanks on Echo, taxi to runway 1 right, full length. Runway 1 right, full length. 211 Papa Juliet, wind 2204, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff. Means 1862 Los Angeles Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
Runway 1 right, Tower, wind 220 about 4, runway 26 left, good line. Clear to land 26 left, 95 now.
26 Los Angeles Tower, wind 2204, runway 1 left, third land. 550 Bravo Charlie, traffic will hold in position at Whiskey, cross runway 1 right and runway 1 left, then contact ground point 9er.
Cross 1 right, 1 left, ground point 9, 0 Bravo Charlie.
2 affirmative. That's 2 copy. Metro 2, just remain over or west of the parking garage, please.
Where you broke out 5005. Set. Papa Juliet, contact Sparks, good day.
Departure Papa Juliet.
You're at 1862, wind 2005, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right,
Hey, Whiskey, runway Los Angeles Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait.
runway 1 right, Whiskey. All Bill Charlie. Captain 5 and Alpha Las Vegas Tower to contact, clear Cabo Run. Clear Cabo, thank you.